Hello Quilty Peeps, I'm Shelly, welcome to my channel. I am the Activities Director for the Dallas Modern Quilt Guild, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating our block lottery for the month of April. The block this month is a Birds in the Air block. It is a modified version of that. I want you to get in your stash and find a dark that's dark and a light that's light, and we'll cut this up and put this block together. Very simple. There is bias, so if you're a new quilter, you can give a little spray starch and give yourself some help, but it's really a simple block, and you can put these together in a lot of ways that are interesting. So whoever wins these, they're going to have some interesting options on making a quilt with these blocks. The unit size is 2, and of course if you make 4, you get your name in the lottery twice. I'll see y'all at the meeting, and happy block making.
All right, let's talk cutting instructions. From your dark fabric, you're going to want to cut one block at 6 7/8 inches, and then we're going to cut it on the diagonal so you have 2 half square triangles. Also from your dark, you're going to want to cut 2 3.5 inch squares. From your light fabric, you're going to cut 2 squares at 3 7/8 and then cut them on the diagonal. These cutting instructions will get you 2 blocks, and you can sew these together very quickly. So let's put these together. So this is how we're going to sew this block together. So we're going to sew this to here. Then we're going to come and sew this to here. We are going to trim bunny ears on, and then we're going to come and sew this all together. And this is your block. It's very fast, very easy, very fun. So let's get started. Okay. I've sewn this first one. I'm going to finger press this with, then we're going to come, I'm going to put this one right here, and I'm going to sew this one. Okay, so I've sewn this one here, and then I finger pressed it. At this point, I'm going to get my scissors out, and I'm going to trim that bunny ear. Let's trim the bunny ears real quick. Now, oh, goodness gracious. Okay, let's get rid of those. All right, now let's line this up, and we'll go sew this, and we'll have one block made. Okay, look at, then I am going to press, finger press this. I am going to go, oh, before I turn these in at the meeting, I am going to give it a press under the iron, but just trim those, and block 1 is made. Okay. Let me go put block 2 together. And my block lottery blocks are done. Okay, I've just finger pressed that. This one. Let's go sew this. I'll be right back. Okay, bunny ears are trimmed. Let's line this up. Let's go sew this, and my blocks are ready for the meeting. Okay, let's put these together and let me just show you just a few ways these could be arranged. Look how scrappy and cute is that. Also, we can turn them around this way. That's very dramatic. Or you can make them all go the same direction. Actually, you can make, yeah. Which makes for an interesting, oh, maybe not. Wait, yes, we can make them all go together the same direction, which can be kind of interesting. Or you can make these go this way and these go this way, which makes this also interesting. I mean, this block has lots of possibilities for a lot of cuteness. I'll see y'all at the meeting. And happy block making. Oh, and here's one more. Just lots of possibilities with this block. So I'll see y'all at the meeting. Have fun making blocks.